Sleepyhead? What are you doing? What are you doing, Sleepyhead? You look so comfortable. I think I'm gonna come snuggle with you. Can we snuggle? Huh? Where are you? We're going to the doctor tomorrow. It don't look like you care. I'm coming to snuggle.